In this video, we'll be looking at the Europress UTB08 pressing tool. This is a high quality German manufactured tool which is very similar to the UTB05, though slightly larger. It has great ergonomics with a pistol grip design, and the bare tool weighs only 3.4 kgs. This increases installer comfort and user friendliness during installation. The pressing strength is 32 kilonewtons. This is a preset setting, so it will run through its pressing cycle, and once it has achieved the required torque, the tool will automatically release, meaning you get consistency across all presses. This tool has a longer pressing ram, meaning it has a slightly longer pressing cycle than the smaller Europress tools such as the UTB05, and is rotatable up to 350 degrees, making it easier to use in tight spaces. It can cover a wide range of sizes with the one tool, from 15mm right up to 108mm. It has a single pressing cycle for all sizes across the range. With some other brands, particularly with the size 108mm, a double press is required, resulting in a longer installation time. This tool has several warning signals. A warning light illuminates and alerts the installer according to what the error may be. For example, if the battery is low, or if it hasn't met its required torque settings. It also has an audible alarm in some cases. It has an LED light which illuminates when you go through the pressing cycle, and if you're working in the dark, it illuminates the pressing zone. Its quick stop function provides extra safety, so if you get partway through a pressing cycle and realise something has gone wrong, it will stop as soon as you release the trigger. It uses a standard 18-volt Makita battery and battery charger with a charging time of around 22 minutes, so it is reasonably quick and can be done in your lunch break or quickly throughout the day whilst other preparation work is being carried out. The UTB08 also has a mains power connection as an optional accessory. This is an adapter that clips in where the battery goes and allows you to connect to mains power if need be. It has inbuilt software, so you can download an operation log. This is great for situations where you need to determine the tool's performance. This also helps with the QA process, as you can have the documentation as part of your system. It is also great for projects, allowing you to have clear records and evidence of quality connections, giving peace of mind to all parties. If you find that you're installing pipework in a wide range of applications, including the larger sizes, the UTB08 is a great tool to choose, as it gives a lot more versatility. For this tool, you don't necessarily have to buy all of the pressing jaws and chains up front. You can split the investment. However, it does give you the benefit of more long-term flexibility and ensures your adaptability to future changes, enabling you to install a larger size range at a later date or as projects require. Thanks for watching this Waterworks training video.